After a long day, deserve mo ng special dinner. Let's make creamy pork bistek. In a pot, we're going to combine our pork, soy sauce, brown sugar, pepper, calamansi juice, water, and MAGGI magic sarap. Takpan natin ito at lutuin on low heat hanggang lumambot. Next, gawa naman tayo ng garnish. In another pan, isaute lang natin ang garlic hanggang mag-golden brown, then set aside. On the same pan, saute naman natin ang potatoes hanggang mag-golden brown. Next, isaute naman natin ang onion and then set aside. Once lumambot na ang pork, gawin natin itong creamy with NESTLÉ all-purpose cream. This will balance out the flavors of the dish as it will mellow out the sharpness of the soy sauce and calamansi. We will then plate this with the fried potatoes and onions, then pour sauce and top with toasted garlic. There you go! 1 pack of NESTLÉ all-purpose cream for your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Mmm!